Hello and welcome back to your social science class. मेरा नाम है सुखदीप कौर. Let's start the discussion of the extra questions from a chapter number 13 that was going on. Reason is last class में हमने इसके questions discuss किए थे. So as always we do, we will start with the MCQs followed by one words, question answers. Hopefully we will look for the match the following question, but what if it's not there? So let's check out. Question number 1 of MCQs. What type of activity is considered as an economic activity? किस तरीके की एक्टिविटी मतलब कौन से तरीके का काम जो आप कर रहे हैं that is considered as economic activity in which we are getting the return payment. So selling products in the market. By doing this, we are going to earn back. What is meant by payment in kind? So that means not the payment in cash for the services that you have given. Likewise, mangoes. Yes, mangoes given to the one who had worked at the farm. Fixed monthly salary, not at all. A wage paid in cash only, not at all. Payment in kind is not the payment in cash. Non-cash compensation for the work performed. Next question. Which of the following is an example of non-economic activity का example ढूंढना जिसमें आपने earn नहीं किया है? Farmer earn करता है, technician earn करता है, carpenter भी earn करता है. So of course the answer will be cross for all these. But which will be the correct answer? A parent helping a child with the homework. क्या मम्मा पापा को अवार्ड मिलता है? भाई अवार्ड भी इट विल बी इन अ काइंड, नॉट द कैश वन. सो नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग बिसाइड्स एप्रिसिएशन. वो शायद आप दे देते हो तो हमें पता नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द टर्म value addition? Like with a carpenter does his work, how so? By adding the shapes to the wood. I won't say adding to the shapes, but हाँ उसके एक shape दे जरूर देते हैं. So that kind of thing, let's find out. Increasing monetary compensation, not at all. Adding worth by transforming material into finished products, जैसे कि मैंने carpenter का example दिया. So the answer will be adding worth. Next question. Which community activity is mentioned in the chapter as promoting cleanliness? के लिए कौन सी एक्टिविटी है? आंखें बंद करके. It is, or it will be certainly स्वच्छ भारत अभियान. So let's find out. Yes, it is there. Next is, what type of activity is Geeta's aunt work as an Air Force pilot? तो ये किस तरीके की एक्टिविटी है जिसमें कि गीता की आंटी क्या करती हैं? Not to be said as auntie, aunt, just because it's English. So Air Force pilot, although she is serving her nation, but she is earning that also, or earning for that also. So it's an economic activity. Voluntary service, community services, not at all. Non-economic activity है ही नहीं. So answer is economic activity. Next question. Why is community participation important in non-economic activities? Although individual can change the world, एक इंसान अपनी पहल से बदलाव की शुरुआत कर सकता है, but to bring about a huge change in the society by doing some welfare task, of course everyone's participation is required and is must. सबका एक साथ आना जरूरी है बहुत बड़े बदलाव के लिए, no matter चाहे ये बच्चों को पढ़ाने का हो और एनी अदर फील्ड. सो इट जनरेट्स मॉनेटरी, भाई पैसा तो है ही नहीं. इट इंश्योर्स एफिशिएंट इकोनॉमिक, नो. It creates more jobs in rural areas, not at all. We are just talking about welfare activities, non-economic activities. So it fosters gratitude and social welfare. Next question. What is an example of seva mentioned in the chapter? Seva, out of devotion, that is serving free food at langar, not selling, not earning, not operating machinery, because you will be paid in all these cases. Question number 9. What is the monetary value of Rajesh's skill and time and effort while making a chair? So we are not choosing the answer on our own. इसका आंसर हमें बुक से ही मिलेगा अगर आपने अंडरलाइन किया है तो. As the answer is 400 only. As I said, मैंने आंसर पिक नहीं किया, आपकी बुक में इंफॉर्मेशन है, you can read it from there. ठीक है. Lastly, for an MCQ, we have question number 10. What is an example of payment made to a person or organization in exchange for services? Not the wages, नॉट द पेमेंट इन काइंड, नॉट द बार्टर सिस्टम. बार्टर सिस्टम में तो पैसा ही नहीं है, ना कोई इमोशन का कंसर्न है. पेमेंट इन काइंड नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है, एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सर्विसेज के बदले. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पी पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 and few more as one word questions. Who works at a village post office and conducts online classes? Post office में of course ये हमारा आंसर नहीं है, बुक से आंसर of course हमारा ही है, but the concern for saying this is that these answers are not given from my part, the information is from the book, so the answer is Kavya's aunt. Next question, what activity involves voluntary teaching by Kabir's grandfather? Out of love? No, it will be a non-economic activity although. So emotions are involved but not the love. It can be concern, it can be the welfare of those kids, and of course setting an example for the younger one to do a thing without paying attention that you are earning for that or you are being appreciated for that or not. So ये मतलब होता है. Next question है, where do members of the community come together for tree plantation drives? पेड़ कहाँ लगाए जाएंगे? वन महोत्सव. कहाँ नहीं, of course वन महोत्सव में वनों में लगाए जाएंगे. one kind of forest, but need not necessary to be grown in the forest. These can be grown on the roadside, within the park. भाई चाहिए क्या? पेड़ लगाना है, that's it. Of course not to leave it behind. Likewise पेड़ लगाया है तो उसका अपब्रिंगिंग का, नर्चर करने का, उसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसका है? आपका है. You will water that plant, at least you can try to do so. Question number 14, how is gratitude fostered in community? Fostered by बढ़ावा मिलना. Community kitchens mentioned in the chapter. So we are talking about community kitchens. So we do have the emotion of seva, or we have the what kind of feeling is being spread all over by doing the community kitchens work? Seva. Out of just devotion also towards the god, if it is related to any the religious institute, if not so just for the welfare of the humankind. Then why does Kavya believe the highway construction will benefit her visit to her aunt? Reason is quite simple, it will take less time, reduce the travel time. Explain the differences between economic and non-economic activity. That we have already done in the question part, but you can still have a look and the way you want to consider this answer. So it involves monetary compensation और मनीज वर्थ. थोड़ा सा आंसर का फ्रेमिंग का डिफरेंस है. सो आई होप यू हैव कम टू नो कि नो मैटर कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लें आपसे, उसको 50, अभी नॉट एग्जैक्टली तो 50, बट हाँ यू कैन राइट इन वेरियस मैनर्स. 3-4 तरीके तो कम से कम आप फाइंड आउट कर ही सकते हो इफ यू आर गुड एट राइटिंग इंग्लिश और राइटिंग आंसर. एग्जाम्पल्स में ये सारे काम आ जाते हैं जिनके बदले आप पैसा अर्न कर रहे हो. नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. नाउ यू मस्ट बी लुकिंग एट थिंग, क्या है वो चीज? In the questions for the same question, I've told you to do it in this manner. And I have written as a paragraph or in points. So, bhai, don't get confused. I have written this just for your sake to understand that no matter how many points are there, an exact answer will be taking up these points. So, likewise, driven by emotions. This is your non-economic activity driven by emotions. Economic activity done for the earning purpose. इस तरीके से equal points के आगे आप equal points बना सकते हैं for economic and non-economic activities. Question number 17, describe the importance of non-economic activities in society. So they do contribute within the developing of certain kind of emotions, gratitude, love, concern towards the society, seva, out of nowhere you are serving someone, that kind of things. So foster emotion bonds and social welfare ka kaam, promote personal well-being. If you feel good by doing anything, you should do it, of course, the positive one, not randomly. Example, sevas in gurdwaras that are the kind of open kitchen system. So community efforts like tree plantation during Van Mahotsav, these kind of services teach us, although they are non-economic activities, but ये हमें सिखाती क्या है? ये हमें सिखाती हैं to do the welfare task for the entire humanity. क्यों भाई? पेड़ लगाएंगे, it will not only help you, it will help the others as well. बहुत सारे प्लस पॉइंट्स हैं by talking in science, और according to the science, जितने ज्यादा पेड़, more will be the oxygen, lesser will be the hydrogen. It will affect rainfall also and so many other things. Collective participation in cleaning initiatives like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so we do get aware about the cleanliness within our homes, outside our homes, and within the locality nearby us and all over the region where we live. How do people add value in economic activities? लोग value कैसे add करते हैं economic activities में? Explain with an example. तो example है हमारे पास, उससे पहले हमारे पास एक definition for the value addition. Value addition involves transforming materials into raw into finished goods, ready to sale goods, जो भी आप लिखना चाहें. Example is Rajesh buy woods, तो ये furniture वाला है. How he buys it, how he turns into a chair, and this entire process of creating something more valuable, that calls for value addition. Would you like to buy just a piece of wood? क्या लकड़ी को आप, of course सोफा साइज की लकड़ी ले लो, क्या आप उसको बाय करके अपने घर में ड्राइंग रूम में रखोगे? नॉट एट ऑल. ऑल्दो यू विल प्रेफर भाई शानदार सोफा होना चाहिए, तो भाई वो शानदार सोफा आएगा कहाँ से? फ्रॉम such kind of value additioning things only, although it's an economic activity. Discuss the role of community participation in non-economic activity. Again, a similar kind of question, but yes, the way of answer writing can be different. Encourages collective efforts for societal welfare. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Van Mahotsav, and what will be its impact? Of course, there are feelings that are being developed with that. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan से cleanliness awareness आता है. Van Mahotsav से we get aware about the environmental degradation and what kind of things can be done by us individually and by all. So enhances cleanliness, greenery, overall community well-being, fosters unity and share responsibilities. क्योंकि whether it is स्वच्छता अभियान या स्वच्छ अभियान, स्वेच्छा अभियान, बहुत सारे नाम से अभियान चल चुके हैं, चाहे वो है वन महोत्सव, इन सब से हम लोग एक दूसरे से जुड़ते हैं. वी डू कम क्लोजर टू द पीपल दैट वी हैव नेवर नोन इन आवर एंटायर लाइफ. Then we have the question number 20. What are the various ways people are compensated for the economic activities? Economic है, non-economic activities नहीं है. So again, question is asking the same thing that we have discussed in the question part of the 13th chapter. But हाँ, क्वेश्चन पूछने का तरीका अलग होगा. अब यहाँ पे जैसे कुछ क्वेश्चन सेम होते हैं, आंसर अलग हो जाते हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट वही रहता है. सिमिलरली आंसर कैन रिमेन सेम बट आस्किंग पैटर्न कैन वेरी. तो वो यहीं पे है. तो हमें यही बताना है कि इन टर्न ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज what kind of payment modes are there? So salary, wage, payment in kind. फी रह जाता है फिर हमारा payment mode for professional. So salary, wages, fees and payment in kind. That's all for today's class. Yes, we have completed our chapter number 13. Soon we are going to meet up in our or catch up in our next chapter. That will be chapter 14 and the last chapter of our social science class or social science book also. So see you soon. Till then, take care. Keep focusing on your studies. Stay well.